Hello, T.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, T, what is good morning in Vietnamese?
Can you speak again?
Okay, how do you say good morning in Vietnam?
Is 60.
Okay, how do you say good morning in Vietnam?
Is 90.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, wait for me. I will translate it in English. In Vietnamese. Okay, wait for me. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So good morning is Buổi sáng tốt lành. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So good morning is Buổi sáng tốt lành. Okay. So have you eaten your breakfast already, T?
Yes.
Okay. What did you eat for today?
I eat bread and egg.
Oh, very nice. That's very healthy. Me, I ate bread and cheese spread. You know what's a cheese spread?
No.
Okay, it's a spread that you put inside your bread. Okay, it's a cheese flavor spread. Okay, so today, T, we are going to continue our lesson last night. Okay, because we were not able to finish it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue now. Okay, so we are finished with this one already. Okay, so now T, let's answer activity letter F. Match sentences and story pictures. Write 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, you're going to choose from picture 1, 2, 3, or 4, okay?
Okay.
So look at this one. Okay, we have an example number 1. Wow, look at that rainbow. It's beautiful. So the answer there is picture number 3. Okay, now T, can you read can you read number 2?
What a really perfect picture, Vicky.
So what do you think is that? That's a really pretty
Is
picture, Vicky.
a picture 4.
Yes, it's correct. Picture number 4. Okay, next one, number 3.
My friend got a great idea, but I had
Okay.
is picture 1.
Okay, that is correct. Picture number 1. Okay, last one, number 4.
I can't find any good picture in this library or on this website. Oh dear, is picture 2.
Very good. It's picture 2. Okay, wait a minute. Let's put a tick on your answers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you got a perfect score of 3 points. Very good. Okay, now T, let's answer activity letter F. Draw the weather. Okay? So look outside your window, T. What is the weather like today? Okay, can you look outside your window and draw what kind of weather do you have right now in Vietnam? So, is it hot or sunny? Okay, can you draw sunny weather?
Yes.
Okay, and I want you to color it also, okay?
Okay. Finish.
Okay, can you draw clouds too?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, very good. So, today in Vietnam, it's a sunny day. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, wait a minute. I will erase it. Okay, so here, it says here, draw the weather. Okay, now T, as you can see, we have 4 windows on the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, now T, you're going to listen to the sound and then you draw what kind of weather is it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen.
7F. What's the weather like? Draw the weather. First window.
Oh dear, it's raining again. Look at all that rain.
Second window.
What a nice day. It's so sunny. Where are my sunglasses?
Third window.
It's really cold, but the snow looks beautiful. Let's go outside and play in the snow now.
Fourth window.
It's windy and it's really cloudy today. There are lots and lots of big grey clouds above our school.
Okay, so were you able to follow it?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think is weather number 1? Can you draw it on the window?
Yes. It's rainy.
Okay, now can you draw rainy weather in window number 1? Okay, finish.
Finish.
Very good. How about
Yes.
weather number 2? What kind of weather is that?
It's sunny.
Okay, it's sunny. Okay, can you draw sunny weather?
Yes. Finish.
Okay, finish. Next one, how about weather number 3? What weather is that?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy, okay. Can you draw cloudy weather?
Yes. Finish.
Okay, how about weather number 4? What kind of weather is that?
It's windy.
Windy, okay. Can you draw windy weather?
Yes. Finish.
Okay, very good. So now let's check your answers, T. So number 1 is a rainy weather. Very good. 2 is sunny. 3 is cloudy. And 4 is windy. Okay, very good. Okay, so number 3, it can be cloudy or snowy. Okay. So therefore, you got 4 points. Okay, so now let's go to our next lesson, T. Wait for me. I'm going to open our next activity or lesson. Okay. Okay, now T, our next lesson is, can you read?
Horse and counter plant.
Okay, hottest. Can you say it? Hottest.
Hottest
And
and colder.
coldest.
Coldest. Plant.
Okay. Okay, very good. Hottest and coldest places. Okay, now T, let's have activity letter A. Find sentence pairs about different kinds of weather. Okay, now T, can you read first the sentences that you can see on the screen?
White. I live far from tree. I try things from dry to wet. You only see me when the sun behind you. I come from gray cloud. I come out when you go to bed. Look careful to see my stable color. When you see me, you can see stars too. You wake me when you go starting. I only fall on really, really cold day. I'm hot, big and round. You know you can see me at night.
Okay, very good. So now T, you're going to match the sentences. Okay, so I will give you example. So this is an example, okay? So when it's snowy, this one are the sentences, okay? I'm white and I only fall on really, really cold days. So that is a snowy weather, okay? So now, can you find some sentences too that match together?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Okay, what is that? Can you read it?
Yes. I live far from tree. I come from gray cloud.
Okay, what kind of weather is that?
Windy.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so the sentences are, I make the leaves fall from trees and you want me when you go sailing. So that is a windy weather. Okay, so you got 1 point. Okay, next one, T. Find some more sentences.
You can change things from dry to wet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you match another sentence.
Yes.
Okay, can you read the sentence?
I can change things from dry to wet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hot, big and round.
Okay, so what kind of weather is that?
It's sunny.
Okay, let's see. I can change things from dry to wet. Okay, wait a minute. Ah, okay. Oh, I can change things from dry to wet. Okay, it means it's wet. So therefore, it's a rainy weather. Okay, let's try one more, T. Okay, choose some more sentence.
You only see me when the sun behind you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what do you think is that sentence?
Finish.
Okay, now what kind of weather is that?
Is
You only see me when the sun's behind you. I come out when you go to bed. Okay, so that is rainbow. Okay, well, let's skip this one because this is quite difficult. Okay, so now T, let's answer this one. Listen and write and say. Okay, I will read it and then you repeat after me, okay? Is it right to fly a
okay.
kite at night? Can you say it one more time, T?
It is right to fly and kite at night.
Okay, very good. So, what can we do outside in a windy weather?
No.
What do you do outside, T, when it's windy?
Mm, I fly a kite.
Okay, very good. So when it's windy outside, you can fly a kite. Okay, so do you fly kite sometime, T?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, what is the design of your kite? Is it a bear, a butterfly? What kind of kite do you have?
It's a flower.
Flower. Okay. So you know how to fly a kite?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one. Now, T, in your screen, I want you to draw a picture of your kite. Okay, can you draw here? I want to see your kite.
Yes.
Mhm.
finished.
Okay, very good. So that is a picture of your kite. Okay, so here is also an example picture of how a kite looks like. Okay, now repeat the whole text. Okay, I will read this one, T, and then you repeat it after me. I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right. Okay, can you repeat it, T?
I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. I don't like my kite at night. That's not right.
Very good. That's not right. Okay, now let's have pronunciation. Okay, here. How do you spell them? Okay, now T, I want you to spell right. How do you spell right?
Right.
How do you spell it? Can you spell it? W.
W A I T E.
Okay, very good. Now spell kite.
K I T E.
Okay, very good. Next one. How do you spell night?
A N I H T
Okay, that letter is G. Can you say G?
G.
Okay, very good. It's Night. Okay, last one. How do you spell the word right?
RIGHT.
Very good. Okay, now T. Their endings are all pronounced as "ite." Can you say "ite"?
I.
These words look different, but they all sound the same at the end, okay? So as you can see, T, all the words have the same sound, okay? Right, kite, night, and ride. So all of them, the sound that they have is I, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's continue. Take note. An apple is colder than chips, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. Okay, so what is the coldest, T?
Can you speak again?
Okay, again. An apple is colder than chips, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. So which one is the coldest?
Is red.
Okay, you can read your answer here. What is the coldest?
Is red.
Okay, so the coldest is the ice cream. So as you can see, ice cream is the coldest. Okay. So now this is subject plus to be plus the plus adjective. Okay, so here. So we have here an example, okay? Sunny, sunnier, and sunniest. Okay, can you give me another example of a word like this one?
Sunny, sunnier, the sunnier.
Okay, sunny, sunnier, sunniest.
Sunniest.
Okay, so now T, can you give me another word that has the same format like this? Okay, for example, happy, happier, happiest. Okay, so can you think of
Yes.
another word, T?
I don't know.
Okay, so that is an example, okay? Sunny, sunnier, sunniest, or happy, happier, and happiest.
Yes.
Okay. So next one, let's continue. We replace Y with I before we add EST to adjectives that end in Y. So as you can see, okay, the word sunny has the end letter is Y, right?
Yes.
So we are going to change Y to letter I. That's why this one is sunnier, okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now T, let's answer activity letter C. Complete the sentences with words from the box. Okay, now T, you have to read the sentences and choose your answer from the box. So example, the coldest place in the world is Antarctica. Okay, number 2.
The rainy.
Okay, oh, you read it first. The
The red.
you're going to choose your answer here. Here, T, choose your answer here.
Yes.
Again, number 2.
The red town is in India. It rains there a lot.
Okay, so what is your answer? Driest, sunniest, wettest, windiest, or hottest?
Is drier.
Again.
Is brighter.
Driest?
Yes.
Oh, no, the answer is wettest because it said that it rains there a lot. Okay, now let's try number 3.
Um, hotter.
Okay, can you read it first? Africa is?
Africa is the hottest part of the world.
Okay, very good. Next, number 4.
The winter land in Antarctica too. The wind there is very strong.
Okay, very good. The windiest place is Antarctica too. The wind there is really strong. Okay, number 5.
It's Australia is away dry and sunny. It's the sunniest planet the USA.
Okay, so what's your answer? Oh, can you say it?
Sunniest.
Sunny, yes. Okay, but the answer is driest. Okay, so therefore you got 2 points for this activity. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's take note. Okay, can you read the words on the screen, T? Difficult.
Difficult, more difficult, the more difficult.
Okay, very good. Difficult, more difficult, and the most difficult. So, we don't add EST to long words. We just say more or the most, okay? So, here is an example. Can you read the example, T?
She's the most beautiful girl in the class. It's the most beautiful picture in the book.
Okay, very good. So the examples are, she's the most beautiful girl in the class. It's the most beautiful picture in the book. Okay, now T, let's answer activity letter D. Choose words to complete the weather sentence, okay?
Yes.
So here, yesterday was sad, but today I am. Okay, so look at the choices in the weather sentences and decide how to complete them in your notebook. Read out loud 4 sentences. Okay, so now T, you're going to make a sentence, okay? So for example, it is sunny today, okay? Or it was hot yesterday. Okay, so you're going to choose your answer from the list of words of weather there, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Mm, and sunny,
Okay, you say it is.
sunny,
It is sunny. What?
it was hot.
Okay, it was hot yesterday. Okay, how about today, T? It
Is
it
rained.
okay, so it rained yesterday. And how about today?
Today
How about today?
Today is yesterday.
Okay, so example, today is it is raining today. Okay, so that is an example. Okay, now T, let's answer this activity. Okay, here, this one is activity letter E. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, so this is a story about animals in cold parts of the world. Okay, now T, you're going to read the story and then choose your answer from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here T, you're going to choose your answer here. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you read now the story?
We don't see many animals in a context part of the world. The cold plant pair, which are widely is really cold plant. Brown
Okay.
here, sleeping where when
Okay, wait.
the weather
What's your answer number 1? Brown bears
is sleeping.
sleep. Okay, continue. Sleep.
Sleep. When the weather is very cold.
Okay, next, number 2.
It
They. Because it says animals, so animals are plenty. So you are going to use they. Okay, continue.
They don't make up or eat any food. When the weather starts getting cold, some birds fly to hotter country.
Country. Okay, what's your answer? Birds
It-
fly
To
2. Very good. Okay, continue. 2.
2.
Okay, next, number 4. Snowshoe rabbits.
Snowshoe rabbits are really clever.
Mhm.
When the weather very cold.
Okay, again, snowshoe rabbits are really clever.
When
Okay, very good. When the weather,
very cold and there snow on the ground.
mhm,
This animal will change from brown to white.
okay, again. There's snow on the ground.
There's snow on the ground. This animal will change from brown to white.
Okay, very good. This is the correct answer. Okay, therefore, let's check your answers. So, you got 3 points because sleep and they were wrong answers. Okay, so 2, when, and this is correct. So, therefore, T, your score is 3 points. Okay? All right, now T, let's continue to activity letter F. Which are the tallest, strongest, and cleverest animals? Okay, so can you read the words here on the box?
Yes.
Tall,
Strong, clever, quiet,
quiet. Oh, that's quiet.
quiet, funny, hungry, nice,
Frightening.
frightening, beautiful.
Okay, very good. So now, tall, strong, clever, and quiet. Put the in front of the word. Okay, and then put est on the end of the word. So for example, the tallest, the strongest, the cleverest, and the quietest. Okay. All right, now T. Which are the tallest, strongest, and cleverest animals? Okay, so what is animal number 1?
Is tall,
Okay, what kind of animal is that?
is elephant,
Yes, very good. It's a picture of an elephant. Okay. So what do you think is an elephant? Is it tallest, strongest, or cleverest?
is tall,
Okay, very good. The elephant is tall. Okay, how about animal number 2? What is this?
I don't know,
All right, so this is a picture of a hippo.
hippo,
Yes, very good. So the correct name for that is hippopotamus, but mostly we also call them hippo. Okay, now pick what kind of animal is that? Tallest, strongest, or cleverest?
is clever,
Okay, cleverest. So I think this is strongest. Okay. Now next one, number 3 animal. What is this?
is snake,
Snake. Very good. Okay, now what do you think is a snake?
I think snake is hungry,
Okay, so snake is
hungry.
strongest, right?
Mm,
Okay, you're going to choose tallest, strongest, or cleverest. What do you think? Huh?
I think is strongest.
Okay, strongest. Very good. Next one, how about animal number 4?
Is giraffe.
So what's a giraffe?
is tall.
Tall. Very good. Next one.
Is bear.
Okay, it's a bear. Now, what kind of what animal is this? Tallest, strongest, or cleverest?
Is strongest.
Yes, strongest. Next one.
Is rabbit.
Okay, what's a rabbit?
Is clever.
Clever. Okay, last one.
Is a bird.
Okay, a bird. Now, what's a bird?
Is clever.
Clever. Okay, very good. Okay, so now, based on all of this picture of animals, T, which do you think animal is the tallest in the world?
Is giraffe.
Yes, a giraffe. Very good. So, okay, now let's write funny sentences. Okay, so for example, which things are hot? Example, tea, my face, that's coffee, vegetable soup, the sun, our shower, the water in my bath. Okay, so now T, can you read these example sentences on the screen? The water.
The water in my bath is hot, but
Okay.
the coffee is hotter than the water in my bath, and the
Okay.
sun is hotter.
Okay, that's correct. The water in my bath is hot, but Dad's coffee is hotter than the water in my bath, and the sun is the hottest. Okay, so well, anyway, T, we're done for today's makeup class. So I'm going to see you again, T, tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so goodbye, T. See you again tomorrow.
Goodbye, teacher.